I can't. Okay. So you cannot. Okay. Okay. Simple. You navigate to report, enter history in the search and check the user. So this is another kind of report learning. Learning history. Click submit and stuff like that. Similar. Provide, yeah, and just provide, all the details to run it. You will see everything. So I know. Okay. Simple, very simple. Schedule run it. Recruiting report. Simply go to that report. You say, when do you want to actually schedule it? Okay. So you just give all the times and everything like Monday, Tuesday, whatever schedule background. Click on it, so it should run weekly when every Sunday, okay. And if you say monthly, you choose the date. Time and everything you would define from here. Okay. Okay. In the example, the report runs. Okay. Simple time frame and then send copies of the report. Admin may only be able to schedule reports to run during the predetermined available time slot. Click on this and stuff. When is Report Designer necessary? Why is this asking or telling you this? Why? Because 99 or 95% you don't need it. The best time frame is the PRT. Not working on it. The consultants will be working on it, but 95% of the time you don't need any new reports or modifications. Most of the reports that are needed are actually the word by or provided to you. Yeah. Correct. But the information inside in the report that they've given us, it's not what we wanted. Yeah. That's the thing, but we cannot edit. Yeah, there are many out of the box. That may be useful to customer without. To the report. May be filtered by using advanced. That's what we just filter it out and find what we needed. If it is necessary to add additional source criteria or output to an existing report, an external tool called Designer. It's the output field. I wanted the additional, which they don't have. So Report Designer also knows and known as the Plateau Report Designer. That is okay. As powered by Bird. So if you see this Bird. Okay, intelligence reporting tool. Okay. This is very important. Oh, the software. If you have some time. Somewhere. Just go and look around about. It is very important. Okay. Is a separated software program that may be installed on your computer. Of anyone. Who will be modifying the report. So that is the issue. First, you get the license and get this updated in your system. Then okay. A report design. Will need access to certain permissions. OK. The ability to import-export reports. Publish reports and view. And run the unpublished reports as well. OK, and understanding of the tool. SQL. Yeah. Yep. As well as the various database. To be. Of the elements. Are required in order to be effective. OK. Simple. OK. This is. That there is. SAP. Success factor. And then people. Story. Reports. Now included. OK. Interesting. Where did you see that? And because no. On the right-hand side. You say that SAP. People. Analytics. Stories. Report. Included data. Whether. This is. What to say. The. Please know that. People. Analytics. Story reports. Now include data. From SAP SuccessFactors Learning. Yes. They have this report. Yes. In the people. Analytics. Yes. Some of the reasons. Customers needed to customize. Report in the past, such as adding this as standard. Functionality. In the people. Analytics. So where is this people? Analytics. This is. This is another. That. Module. People. These are simple. What is? Notable. Report. Sorry, what is this one. All you're showing me. What is notable? Means. Notable means. I will. See all the reports. I mean. What? How can I explain? A few of the reports. That we. Mostly need. Oh. Okay. Please note that. These are the. Things like that. Like, please note, these are the important. Reports. So notable. Means which. Okay, we actually using it.